Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Vivo X200 Pro, a smartphone packed with cutting-edge features, an incredible camera setup, and powerful performance. If you're looking for a new premium flagship, stay tuned because this device might just be the one for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The Vivo X200 Pro features a sleek and premium design with glass or glass fiber back options. It has dimensions of 162.36 x 75.95 x 8.49 mm and weighs approximately 223 grams, giving it a solid and premium feel in hand. It is available in stunning color options to suit different styles. This smartphone comes with a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 2800 x 1260 pixels. It supports a 120 Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. The peak brightness reaches up to 1600 nits, making it easy to use even under direct sunlight. It also features HDR10+ support for a great viewing experience on Netflix, YouTube, and more. Powering the Vivo X200 Pro is the MediaTek Dimensity 9400, a 3nm chipset designed for ultra-fast performance and efficiency. It comes in multiple RAM and storage options, including 12GB, 256GB, 16GB, 512GB, and 16GB, 1TB. With LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, this phone ensures lightning-fast speeds. Benchmark scores showcase impressive performance, making it an ideal choice for gaming and multitasking. For photography enthusiasts, this smartphone boasts a powerful triple-camera setup. The main camera is a 50-megapixel sensor with an f1.57 aperture and optical image stabilization. The Periscope telephoto camera is an impressive 200 megapixels with an f2.67 aperture and 5x optical zoom. The ultra-wide camera is also 50 megapixels with an f2.0 aperture for group shots and landscapes. On the front, the device features a 32 megapixels camera with an f2.0 aperture for high-quality selfies and video calls. Camera features include 4K video recording with ISO and OIS, AI-enhanced night mode for clear low-light photography, and a professional-grade portrait mode with natural background blur. Battery life is another major highlight of the Vivo X200 Pro. It is equipped with a massive 6000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage. The device supports 90W wired fast charging, which charges 50% in just 15 minutes. It also offers 30W wireless charging in select regions. On the software side, the Vivo X200 Pro runs on Origin OS 4, based on Android 14. It comes with extensive customization options, smart widgets, and enhanced security features. The in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor ensures fast unlocking. It also features stereo speakers with high-res audio support, providing a great multimedia experience. When it comes to gaming, the Vivo X200 Pro delivers outstanding performance. It supports high-performance gaming with ultra settings in PUBG, COD Mobile, and Genshin Impact. The advanced cooling system prevents overheating, and AI-powered gaming enhancements help with frame rate stabilization and touch response optimization. Pricing varies depending on the region. In Pakistan, the Vivo X200 Pro is priced at approximately 329,999 Pakistani rupees. In India, it is around 64,999 Indian rupees. In the USA, the price is expected to be around $799, and in Europe, it is priced at approximately €749. The device is available online and in retail stores globally. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Vivo X200 Pro offers a stunning display with a high refresh rate, a powerful Dimensity 9400 processor, a high-resolution camera system with Periscope zoom, a massive battery with fast charging support, and a premium design and build quality. However, there are a few drawbacks. The device does not have an official IP rating for water resistance, there is no expandable storage option, and wireless charging support may vary by region. So, should you buy the Vivo X200 Pro? It is undoubtedly one of the best flagship smartphones of 2026. If you are looking for top-tier performance, an incredible camera, and a premium design, this is a fantastic choice. However, if you need expandable storage or a more affordable option, you may want to consider alternatives. Let me know in the comments what you think about this device. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. See you in the next video. Take care and stay tech savvy.